The PD97, this is how you operate it. Right now we're in the lock position. You can use the keypad. Code is 1111 to access it. Now the way this is set up, you have to wait for the light to turn off before you can access it again. So now that I close the door, I can push the remote or use the keypad. Of course, we have emergency egress from the inside. You can also throw the bolt with the thumb turn or the key override. The lock case itself is set up to take anywhere between 8 and 30 volts, so you can plug a 12 volt battery, 24 volt power supply. On board, it knows what to do. We use a slow motion stepper motor to throw the bolt. It's just a nice smooth retraction and projection. The way this is powered, we use the Yamaka, which is a SecureTech product. It has 2 spring-loaded contact plates, which hit against another plate as the door is closed. As of now, I have no power. Once you close the door, you get your power transfer. So right now we're making this side only. We're going to do the lock case and the trim. We will be able to stock the Yamaka, but other than that, you're going to tie it into any access control system you want. We do recommend using the soft close system to make sure the door is fully closed so that the bolt can throw. Alright, an important thing to notice on the PD97 is loss of power. This is not a fail-safe or fail-secure product, it's a fail-neutral. So when the power fails, it'll fail in whatever condition it's in. If the power goes out and the door is locked, it will remain locked. If the power goes out and the door is unlocked, it will remain unlocked. So with the mag lock, you don't have any choices. It's going to be fail-safe all the time. So with this product, you actually have that security added in where you can have the fail-secure.